My name is Bhavna Sirohi. I am a medical oncologist at the Apollo Proton Cancer Center in Chennai. I would like to talk to you today about breast cancer in young women because in my practice I am seeing more and more younger women who are being diagnosed with breast cancer. So it is a myth that breast cancer only happens in older women. It can happen to younger women as well in their 20s, 30s and early 40s. So I think it's important you know about this. When breast cancer is diagnosed in younger women, it's very distressing because most of us, when we are young, we are at a stage in our careers when we are looking to get married, to have a career, to have children, to have family planning. So there are a lot of other issues which are stressful enough, but to have breast cancer added to it as well compounds everything and is quite distressing. And the issues that young women with breast cancer face are completely unique. Because we do not have any screening guidelines for young women with breast cancer, we usually recommend screening at the age of 50. That's why most of the young women who come to my clinic are diagnosed at later stages, which means that the cancer is larger in size and has usually spread to the lymph nodes under the arm. What can you do to prevent it or to have it diagnosed early? I would suggest that the most important thing that you can do as women or even men, because young men can also develop breast cancer, is be breast aware. You must know what is normal for you. And if you feel there is anything abnormal, you find a new lump or a change in contour or anything that is different, you must go to your doctor and have it checked out. The government of India has actually started a screening program for women from 30 years onwards, where you can have a clinical exam once a year with any of the physicians, with your family physician or your gynecologist. You must take this up. If you turn 40, you can have a digital mammogram along with breast tomosynthesis once between the age of 40 and 45 years. After the age of 45 years, you can have a digital mammogram once a year and be reviewed by a physician once you've had the mammogram done. Along with the mammogram, I would also urge you that you must undergo either HPV DNA or a pap smear for cervical cancer, which is also common in women in India. So these are the things that you can do to prevent. If you are diagnosed with breast cancer as a young woman, then there are options which are available which are better than before. We did not have good access or good means to do oncofertility earlier, but research has changed that. So if you are young and you are planning to start a family and you've been diagnosed with breast cancer, discuss these options with a reproductive endocrinologist or a gynecologist. Also, in younger age, we recommend genetic testing with the breast cancer gene, which is called the BRCA gene. You must discuss this as well, because there is a possibility that the cancer may be hereditary, though the chances are less than 10%. Also, with new research, we are able to avoid chemotherapy in certain women based on certain genomic assays which you can have access to. Scalp cooling is another modality which you can discuss with your oncologist to see if you can avoid losing your hair. There is no guarantee that you won't lose your hair on chemotherapy with this, but at least it reduces the chances of you not losing your hair. Also, to learn more and understand better to support the young women, educate and inform, we have set up a registry for young women with breast cancer pan-India, and hopefully we plan to make it global to understand why there are disparities in cancer care across India and whether we can do anything to improve it. Thank you.